A few months ago with Omo Mefe no. Obia hu say nsuo fa omo dan, nsuo fa omo niema. Enti na me pese me beboa omo. E kama kuma mti na me say I want to help them. But me mom sika ne besa. Enti what can I do to help them? And I came together with my team and I decided that okay, why don't I teach them something, a skill, a vocational skill, something. We go to me there juma da, to me da. And I say okay, metro mo hairdressing, metro mo nsa the way it's your more, the way see it omo ye gate welder for, omo ye a tailor for, seamstress for, wine for, omo to cake, omo ye pastries, omo ye cake, any biscuits, any aduane. Nyama bebre, omo ye tie and dye. We came together for the past 3 weeks. It's been an intensive class, back to back. And then graduating for 120 students. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all. Because I have and now I was saying from free and crying metro more idea to me call Saloon Rabbi Ho is Accra, East Legon. Crystal Beauty Spa and I'm concerned so me person me nkyerɛ nkola no wo me pɛ no the way I see it, the way I see it, the way I see a facial no open so na yeah arrange between na ba ha. And I spoke to other artisans, people facilitators, omo cake, we call deli cake for deli bakery for her. I mean, omo kind so okay, so I had to bring all of them here, had to get them a hotel. I'm going to have for 3 weeks, teaching the children, they're not the children, the adults and children, how to do various things. And I'm so happy because they've learned so well, and I can even employ them myself, and I can even call on them when I need something. Better me from or say meeting mommy, some coming more mommy because they too are me bar. The way are not about quite year obinim. But feel say a teacher in a year, but besides almost a teacher in a year, students in a year, say students in a year on day 2, just day 2. So I was really impressed. And so today is my birthday, and I'm happy that we are all here. Me say me know me be my birthday and me but almost certificate. To me a juma will be bia. And yes, that is why we are here on the 5th of December. Yes, it wasn't easy. Kabebre, but apart from say metro mo eti nails here, cake here, medeniama brown so mo fan start to medjuma. I want them to use it to make money for themselves, to become independent on themselves, so that omo hia moa from obia, ombetumi aye omo amedjuma, e de anya omo sika. And please do not sell the items, use it to invest in yourself, and you will see the